Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. It's awesome. But yeah, check out the beard. Check out how short it is now. I cut it down. No longer long. I'm not going to be a long bearded guy for a while. And I'm going to keep it that way for a bit. Because I prefer it kind of shorter like this. It actually looks better on me. But anyway, we're here at Crescent Park. We're going to go for a walk on a trail that I found at Crescent Park. So come and enjoy and let's go. Let's go hang out, guys. Now there's that way on the trail. And then there's this way. I'm going to go this way. And then I'll go back that way when I come back. But let's go down this way for a bit. Oh, a little overpass or bridge over a swamp. Yeah, all dried up. Nothing really there, but it's a bridge, so you don't fall in there. As you can probably hear in the background, there's people playing pickleball, which, if you guys don't know what pickleball is, it's basically stand-up ping pong, table tennis. So, yeah, with a little bit of different rules, but yeah, that's what you're hearing in the background. Oh, it looks like a big field over there. I wonder what that is. Go check it out. I really enjoy going to Crescent Beach, one of my favorite beaches in Vancouver to hang out at. Or in the Metro Vancouver area, I should say, not Vancouver, because it's not really in Vancouver. But I also enjoy hanging out in the Crescent area of town. I really like all the trails that there are and things you can see and do, and yeah, it's a cool area. Crescent area is really cool. It's weird that people don't say they don't like Surrey because of all the bad stuff, but that's just a couple areas. Looks like we've come out to a baseball field here, softball field down there, and there's the pickleball courts down there. People playing pickleball. And then there's also cricket field right there, as you can see. Yeah, all the people playing pickleball. And then, of course, over there you've got your washrooms. And that's about it for this trail. I think it actually goes past this softball field over here. Let's go take a gander over there. Yeah, as I said, there's the bathrooms. But yeah, let's see what we can find over here. See if there's more of a trail to walk through. Looks like there's a small little park over there. Slide, teeter-totter. A spinny thing. Yeah. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. I can feel it on my legs. Stupid bugs. Oh well, that's what I get for being outside. Suck it up and keep going. Like I said, there's a park here. Small one. Oh, here we go. Here's the other side of this parking lot. I found a trail. So let's take a gander down this trail. Oh, there's two bunny rabbits over there. There you go. for spotting a wildlife. Let's just follow this path. What, a fitness area? Maybe I have to stop and do my fitness in the park video here. It's a fitness area. What? Well, guys, I found my place to do day 24 of fitness in the park. So let's do day 24 of fitness in the park. Yes, sir. Let's get on with today. Lunges. Here we go. And then push-ups. Ten. Sit-ups. 10. Now let's do some squats. 10. Push-ups again. 9. And lunges. Well, guys, really hope you guys all enjoy this. I got 6 more days to go before I've officially reached 1 month. But I think I'm going to keep going. I'll do it as long as I can. I'll just keep going and keep posting, and I'll see what happens. See how far I get. No real stopping. I just think it's really cool that I've almost hit a month. So, yeah, that was day 24. Let's keep on with this walk. Well, there's some bars to do some different activities, as this is fitness in the park. Some things to use to do fitness in the park. Maybe I'll do some right now. Let's use these. Here we go. Let's test one of these out. I think you're supposed to do dips. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know. And back on the trail we go. In this little fitness area. Wonder if it's fitness all the way up. If there's stuff to do. There's also these little ones that split off to that path there. But I'm going to keep going up this path. Oh, yeah. Monkey bars. Okay, I need to do That other trail I was telling you about, it links up here with this trail. I think I might have just heard some thunder. I can't tell. It sounded like a big rumble. I don't think it was an airplane because I don't think there's airplanes around right now. But yeah, as you can tell, my mic died, so I don't have a mic right now. But yeah, let's check out this trail. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. I'll talk a bit louder so you can hear me talking. I was really hoping I could get through this video with my mic being almost dead, but you know, it's the way it goes. I just gotta suck it up and not have a mic for a bit, and then I'll charge it when I get home, and then I can have my mic ready for next video. So yeah, unfortunately the end of this video will not have a mic. Unfortunate, but you guys can still hear me, see what I do, and I can talk a bit louder and embellish what I say. Here we are at a field, what looks like a little area to just sit and hang out and maybe sit here if you wanted to have a picnic or something. Some seats here, and then what looks like a danger or caution sign. Then over here you've got a little seat to sit if you wanted to be off to the side in a corner here. Yeah, so it is a danger sign. Oh, and look at the birds in the tree. Deep water and thin ice, what it says. I guess there's this pond here. Okay, that's really cool. As you can see there. Oh. There are 3 owls here. It's really neat. They're looking over at me. Probably wondering what I'm doing. Zoom in a little bit so you can see them. There's 2 right there. 1 flew away. This is interesting. You don't see owls very often. As we keep walking up the trail, I wonder if there's any more in any of these trees around. You can really hear them behind me. I think they're yelling at me. I don't know. But yeah, here's the pond. That loud hissing sound is actually that owl over there. So yeah, not really listen to that thunder. Or is that a plane going overhead? Oh, I think it's just a plane going overhead. Oh, there's another bridge over here. Let's take a gander over here and see what we see. Little path over there. Oh. Little swampy area. And then on the other side, oh, here's more of the pond on the other side of that bridge. did you know sign. Check this out. You can read all about it if you stop the video right here and watch. Look at this. It looks like there's some restoration habitat stuff going on. But yeah, I'm not going to go too much further. I want to head back to my car pretty soon here. But, you know, this has been a really cool trail. I'll have to walk more of it when I have a bit more time. But, yeah, I'm going to head back that way and head back towards my car. Well, I don't really want to bore you guys with my walk back to my car. You've already seen everything that I'm going to walk towards. So, I'm going to end the video here at the duck pond. I want you guys all to think positive. Kick that negative out of your life. Keep on with the outdoors, like I'm doing, because I'm outdoors right now. As you can see, all around me is outdoors. I could probably put a tent here and sleep here if I wanted to. But, you know what? You also got to like the video and subscribe down below. Hit subscribe. It's not that hard. Turn on the ring bell notifications so you can see all the videos that I post. Until next time, peace out, guys, and we will see you on Monday. You can see we got JK Vlogs merch here. We got some sunglasses. Get them while you can. Limited quantity left. We got red. We got royal blue. We got light blue. And we got purple. So get your merch. $10 a pair. And yeah, get your JK Vlogs sunglasses.